Isabel, what are you? Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo. May tag pa. Mami, may tag pa. Sa gilid. Let's go. May tag pa.
Okay, let's go. Come here, Scooby.
Let's go, Scoop. Bark na, baby. Scooby-Doo. Si Scooby magti-trick or treats dito sa Wonderhub. Wonderhub. Isabel,
Isabel, are you excited?
si Scoop magti-trick or treat si Scoop. Yan, nandito kami sa Wonderhub para sa ano nga ang event to? Ito yung night at the museum? Boo something?
Boo-Seum.
Night at the Boo-Seum. Ayan o. Night at the Boo-Seum. Wow! Trick or treats!
What will you say? Surprise, okay.
Arf, arf.
There's one in the little area.
Oh, so you just like go around?
Yep, dinosaur
Oh, but
camping area.
Isabel, there's a dinosaur.
Perfect,
So,
thank
yep,
you.
just keep wandering.
Okay, thank you. Isabel, let's go look for some more. Isabel, we have to look for your, we have to look for the trick-or-treats. Come on.
Wow!
Later, we'll find the treats first.
Ito, may mga fairy naman, Isabel, oh.
There's fairy inside.
May fairy inside. There's a fairy inside, anak.
You smell treats? Okay. Is it here?
Trick or treats.
Isabel. And what will you say? What will you say?
Oh, adorable.
I didn't teach her that.
Yeah.
She came up with it.
Put it in Papa.
Baby, put it in your...
Okay, go.
So, ngayon lang tong October 28.
Come on. Let's look for your treats. Come on. Let's look for your treats. Come on.
Doon naman sa labas. Ayun nga. Siya lang gumawa niya. Parang nag-invento.
Let's look for treats.
Look sa dinosaur. Dinosaur's right there. Isabel. Dinosaur's right there. What's that? Car. No.
And what will you say?
Thank you.
Okay, come on.
Maghintay kang bigyan, anak.
Wait, Isabel, wait. Mama's gonna take a video. Okay.
Veterinary clinic. Animals.
You say?
Oh,
Okay.
there's a dinosaur. Star Wars, so.
Always say thank
Oh.
What will you say? She's a dog.
There's a dinosaur, you said.
Here. Here muna. Here muna, anak. Diyan muna. Wait there. Oh.
Hindi tipid sa candy.
Oo nga. Bigay, lagay lang ng lagay. Isabel, right there.
I didn't
A
know.
wolf.
Okay, there's one here.
There's a wolf.
Oh, sing, dog. What will he say?
Trick or treats.
Okay. Okay, and what will he say?
You're welcome.
A forest.
Camping.
Blue's Clues. Wow, is it hot, Isabel? Huh? Oh. Wow, it's hot. It's warm.
Very cute na dali dito tulinong ano.
Oh.
Find candy.
Yeah.
We need to find candy.
Okay, we need to find candy. Okay, come on.
Find more candies pa.
Find more candies, okay.
Baby, bring this one, oh.
Oh,
There's Olaf. Miss Nancy. Queen Elsa.
Isabel, use your nose to find the treats. Smell it, smell.
I'm gonna say trick or treat to Dino.
Si Dino? Binigyan ka na ni Dino. What's inside? What's
Okay,
inside?
you can go inside, Isabel. Go ahead.
Ano yung candy?
Yeah, I think so. Like it's dark in there.
Oh yeah, there's a candy again.
Wow.
Madiklom lang. Excuse me. Ang dilim. Oh, sorry.
Okay, I'll get some for Red. You go see where Charmaine is with Red.
What will you say,
Oh, I'll get
Isabel?
some first, yes, brother.
Ang dilim. Dilim dito. Mhm. Nakarami na, Bel? Candy, candy.
Look at your candy, but wait your turn. Wait your turn.
Si Spider-Man.
Yeah, after Spider-Man, you can go.
After Scooby-Doo.
After Spider-Man, you
you're
can
next.
go.
You're next.
Wait for your turn. Wait in line. Isabel, here.
Here, Isabel. Here.
Isabel. Wrong way. There. Okay. Wait, Isabel. Wait your turn. Okay, go ahead.
Go inside. Ayun na.
What will you say?
Look, Spidey. Spidey next to her.
What will you say, Isabel? Isabel, what will you say? Thank you. Happy Halloween.
I wanna ride here to go.
Sa baba ata, sa baba. Kasi nandyan yung mining, di ba?
Come on, let's go, Isabel. Sa baba, Dad?
Ah, sa baba. Yung mining.
Yes,
Here.
Get all those candies.
My nose.
Use your nose, Isabel.
Ha?
Can you pet me? Okay. Dito ba, Dad?
Sa baba. Ang alam mo sa baba. Ano baga, oh.
Use now, yes.
Doon, kasi dito yung ano, mining.
Oh, ay, ayun.
Oh, si ano, matibay yan. Magaling yan eh.
Okay.
Huh?
Fall in line, Isabel.
Her name is Josie.
Magaling yan.
Oh, Nosy. Ah,
Isabel, stay here.
this guy told me to be silly. This kid right here. This kid told me to be silly. You know him?
Magaling yan, gumagawa siya ng mga ano,
This isn't your brother?
art gamit ang
Here
ano, balloons.
is, so this line is for your dad. Roar. We've got brown eyes.
Na-meet na natin yan sa Center Mall, di ba?
Gray, hair
Ang galing yan.
with a
Di ba kinuha mo yung contact number niyan?
So there we make roar.
Just in case, yeah.
There. So that's for your dad. Yeah. Can I get you a balloon thing? Bye bye, Leo the lion.
Okay, yes, please.
Yeah? Do you have a favorite thing I should make?
What? What?
Who's that? It's Ollie, it's like a character. Is the dog okay?
I can make.
A cow, okay, a cow.
You want a cow? Let's do the dog instead, okay?
Dog is okay, my love.
Yeah, we'll
Yeah, I know you love cows, but we also love dogs.
okay, here, let's tell you what, we'll do this one.
She said she doesn't like dogs.
No.
Just maybe make her black and white.
That's alright, that's alright.
Eh, kind of animals sa atin.
problem, No problem, big girl. There, oops.
Wait, look at her.
Come on, twist. There, now we need the black.
It's
Hold
like
on,
a
babe.
cow.
Hey, big kid, how you doing? Yeah, I remember seeing the movie you were in. That's how old I am. I remember when it was a new movie. Yeah, that's just how old I am. Oh,
Master Ink.
hey there, something, Mike.
Huh?
Yeah,
Bilib na bilib eh.
wrap all the way around. That'll hold. Get into there for a moment. Let's grab
Is
this
Isabel.
Isabel, are you amazed? It's
Amazing.
amazing.
Wow.
What can I get for you, big kid? I can definitely do that. Did you want a T-Rex dinosaur? Yeah. Okay. What we'll do, we're gonna make a bit noise. There. Yeah. So, what you have here is the head of a moo.
Oh.
Moo. That's an elephant. Okay. Let's get the
It isn't. It turned out to be a cow.
one eye. Let's do the other eye because cows have two eyes.
Oh yeah, it's a moon.
And they have two nostrils, and they have a very non-intelligent
Galing.
smile because they're cows. Yes. Out of all the animals
at that.
I've dealt with, cows were the second dumbest.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's so
Yeah.
good. What do you
Yeah.
say?
What do you say?
moo. You're very
It's so
welcome.
nice.
Have a great day.
Yeah.
Are we doing a T-Rex or what?
Nice. Look at that. Isabel. Very good. Very good enough. It's a cow.
And it's so good too, Isabel. Isabel, show me your cow. Show me your cow. And smile. One more, smile.
That's right.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Isabel, what are you gonna say?
Yeah, it's a cow.
What are you gonna say? Well, what about for the candies? What are you gonna say?
Trick or treat.
Here you go. What do you say? You're welcome.
Oh.
They like that for sure. There's potion making.
After maybe. Look at the costume. It says wolf. Not sure. I'm not sure. I don't know. Like, apo mo siya muna.
Can we go inside?
Oh yes.
Construction worker.
Yeah.
Come on.
Ano baby? Mining. Magmimina si Isabel ng candies. Oh. No, it's okay. Yeah. Magmimina si Isabel. Mining. Baby, pindot. Isabel, pindot that one. Pindot, ano? Remember? So, isa to sa mga magandang indoor playground dito sa Saskatoon City. Itong Wonderhub. Yan. So, tamang-tama meron silang pa-event na ganito. Maagang trick or treat sa mga bata, no? Ngayon lang tong October 28, Monday, yan. So ito rin yung last day ng election dito sa Saskatchewan. Belo. Oh no. Oh, Isabel. Takot ka?
Come
Ha?
on. Let's do the
Ang galing nung gumawa ng balon, no?
Ang galing.
Ang galing, no?
Nagawa niya ng paraan. Tapos sabi niya, I don't like dogs. Pero nakadog ko siya.
How is the best?
Yung baby, so mga stone, no? Ini oh, magnifying glass, parang magnifying ano. Nakikita mo. Oh. Baby, oh. It's Gobi! Oh, Shaggy!
Okay, ako man yun.
Yikes!
Come on, let's go make a potion. Let's go make a potion.
Potion daw, potion. Saan ba yun? Dito? Dito, no? You want to dance? Oh. May ano pa? May pa-dance pa. Dance, Isabel. You want to dance? You want to dance?
Hindi mo na, you don't have to ask. Come on.
Let's go. Let's go. Dumaan ka sa potion.
Yeah, we're gonna make sure this is warm. You're not gonna go like that.
Wow. Bibi, may mga witch. May mga witch, oh.
They're doing wands over here. Yeah, you guys
Alrighty. Now watch. Now you can let go. Now watch what happens.
put some tea.
Whoa! Good job.
Yes. So,
It's mixing.
Isabel,
It's mixing up.
take 4 spoons of this, maybe?
Putting this color in, or maybe should we add another color? Should we add? Let's add one. You see what happens?
One.
And let me add some more magic dust over here.
Okay. 3. Yeah, and one more.
You want some more?
Okay, 4. Okay, what else could we do for your
Now what color?
potion?
Blue?
Do you want some flies?
Alrighty.
Do you want to put some? Oh, you can just, yeah. Just put it in. And let's see what else we have. Oh, we have some dry flowers. Do you want some? Do you want some?
Oh, look at you.
Hi.
Let's
We'll help you.
go. Awesome.
Okay, put it in the potion.
And whenever you guys are done, we have our big potion.
Okay.
So excited, mix them all together, and then at the end of the night, we'll see if we can make
Yes,
a
of
big
course you can
potion.
try. Riley.
Yes, alright.
So can you give it a stir?
So we're gonna start with this first, okay? Do you wanna put some of our magic dust
Really
in there? So
nicely,
put like 4
really
big
nicely,
spoons.
okay? It has to be cooked really well for it to fizz out.
right?
Now, what colors do you want?
We have one making as well. If you guys wanna make
Which
some
one do you
magic.
want?
You can add
Green
more.
and yellow. Do you want to
Careful
mix
not
it? Okay, let's do
Alright,
it.
now we've got some.
Oh!
Wow.
Now,
Do you want to keep
know what
stirring
we should add?
it? Stir.
Some flour.
Yeah, you have so much of that bone dust sitting over there. You want to stir it?
Exactly, yep.
Yeah?
Now you know what we should
And
also add?
can I put in some
Just put some fly
yellow?
hearts in there.
Oh!
Alrighty.
Keep stirring.
want
Keep
to-
stirring.
Alright, you know what? I
Yeah.
think we can do it. How about you add the last ingredient in and see what happens?
Yeah, have fun. Get messy.
Thank
Yeah.
Thank you.
And here you go, you can stir it up.
Stir more. Don't taste it.
And then add more.
Don't taste it. It'll be dangerous.
Yeah, exactly. What does your potion do?
What's the superpower of your person?
Look at it
Air.
go.
It's the power of air.
You know what? If you
One
want,
more?
we have
You want
lots of
one more?
lots of
Mag-enjoy naman
potion.
talagang bata
Add
dito,
all
no?
of that in there if you want. And we'll add even more of this. How about?
And we are doing potion.
Oh my goodness, okay.
There's the eyeball because they're big creatures, and sometimes that's an ingredient of it. If you want to put your eyeball in there too, you can do that.
Take this one more.
Here. Sa black one. Oh. Look at
What did you say?
Daddy, sabi niya, that was so cool. No. Sabi niya, that was so cool. Is there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Duman. Ihalo mo duman.
I think we are supposed to bring this.
Oo. Ano kaya to? Baking soda? Huh?
Put everything here.
Yeah, put everything in there. Stand up. Ay, stand up. Diyan ka sa taas ka. Yan.
Spider! I see a spider.
You see a spider?
O, halo mo.
Hindi niya na ihalo.
Halo mo. Pati na yan. Yan. Lahat. Wow!
There we go. Now we're making a wand.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Look at this.
We're gonna make our own wand.
Mahulog ka. Wait lang. Look at this. Isabel, mahulog ka. Hmm. Wow.
Come on. Do you want a stick? Good mix. Little scary.
Hold the stick. Dali. Hold mo this
You wanna
one.
hold the stick? Sige.
Hold. Yan. Ayaw bitawan ng kanya. Cute kasi yun. Na miss yun ng ano.
We're gonna make our own wand. Come on. Come on, let's make our own. Ayan. Let's get a stick
Oh.
and then let's make our own.
Ah, okay. Let's go. Gagawa siya ng sarili niyang one. Mama will help you.
Sabi mo largest, that's not the largest. This one na lang anak na very big.
Yan. This one. Isabel. So,
The power
No.
of that is really
hindi
tiny
lang.
one.
Because the power of this one is so
This
strong.
one is stronger. Are you having fun?
Hanggang ano to? 7:30 no? 7:30.
Tapos one night lang.
One night lang. Siya nga yung sa online, siya yung pinaka huling
Last buyer.
ticket sa online.
May
Nasa-
50 extra tickets sila dad sa baba. So, ibig sabihin, limited lang.
Limited lang.
So, it's good kasi, you know. Ang galing nito.
Galing ito no. Galing nung
Sabi niya dog, pero parang nagawin
Galing,
niya ng
no?
paraan. What else? What color else? What else? Yellow? Hindi,
Galing.
hindi ako artsy.
Ang galing ni mama. Iuwi mo pampalo.
Pampalo na pala.
Pampalo pa lang kay Isabel. Wow, man. Isabel, what's that?
Sabi niya, I don't like dogs.
How is my favorite?
That's your
Cow is your
favorite?
favorite?
Ano ni magic stick? Like wand? Magic wand? Ah.
Yeah, magic one. What else? Another color, my love? What color?
Busy lahat eh.
This is fun, actually. Buti na lang. How much was it?
Ubos na ata yung no? Nalibot na natin lahat.
Ah.
Yung candies.
I think it's enough.
Nasaan
Kasi,
yun?
sa-
Bakit eh?
Ayun.
Hi,
May
Isabel!
may mga binigay silang papel, siguro discount.
Baka discount. No? Kaya hindi na. Dadaling ko sa trabaho ko yan. Ref magnet. Patingin nga. Patingin ng ref magnet.
Tapos sticker.
Yung ref magnet. Pakita ko sa kanila.
Wonderhub.
Wonderhub.
Tapos, mga ref magnet, dad.
Kiss, Isabel.
Oh, Isabel.
Ching! Galing ng mama, no?
What color of feather?
Ayaw din Isabel ng ng aso.
Bibi, makatama ka. It's a feather. I wanna make my own.
Sige na. Ang dami rin, no? Ang dami pa
Daddy,
dumadating.
nag-stock sa hair ko.
Arin.
Yung
Blue?
blue.
Elmer's blue?
Hindi, magagawa rin ako ng sarili ko.
Funny, Mama.
Can I see? Abel? Ay, Isabel?
Pew! Pew! Pew!
Okay na to, at least may activity para sa bata, Dami rin, dami. Dami tao.
Hindi din joke yung presyo.
$15 isa.
Each.
Oh. Pag under 1, libre. Dumami ng dumami yung tao. Dumami. Yung sa balon ang haba na. Ayun, no? Bumalik na ulit kami dito sa taas.
Asan yung
Gawa
candy?
ng...
Kakain ako.
Ito. Dami nating candy sa bahay. No? Snow White.
I know, whatever we're looking for. The chicken egg.
Bell, come here. Here. There's a ghost.
The ghost collected the eggs. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, Fisher, if you want to climb up, you gotta just
Asan yung egg, Be? Ayun yung bell. Here. Oh,
for a bit.
where's the egg?
Hard to drive it.
Oh. Asan yung mga chicks? Oh, niya. Here.
Okay, sige. Mag-grocery siya. Oh,
Grocery na. Grocery ng ano? Ang doggy. Okay.
eggs, nakuha na yung eggs.
Ilan ang lola nakaperata. Ayun, nakapirate. Yan. Oh, lola. Ang cute. Ang cute. Yun, oh. Natakpan kasi. Yan, oh. Nakapirata si lola. Ano yung mga nakuha ni Isabel? Nakarami si Isabel, ah.
In fairness, maganda siya, organized, tapos basta alam mo tong day mo, hindi mo ubusan ng anak mo ng chocolate kasi
Ang
unang-una
dami
nagbayad ka
pa,
rin.
yan, oh. Ang
Hindi
dami
kasi
pa.
nagbayad ka rin entrance.
Yung may cake sila eh. Cake ba?
Hindi,
Ito
ano ka ba? That
Ah,
pretend?
fake.
Ano ba?
Toy. Isabel! Ha?
Daddy, hanapin mo kasi siya ng egg.
So, babae, binalik na gabos. Abo niyang kung anon. Tapos nung niya naghahanap ng eggs.
Next year, mag-ano ka tapos.
Busy ang bilay. Daming bata na. Ano oras na?
Aga pa dyan.
Oh, sa kalating oras pa, no? 7:30 kasi ito matatapos. Nangunguha na,
Isabel, you
nangunguha
don't
ng
have
gulay.
any money. Isabel, you don't have money.
Scoop! Scoop! Scoop!
Wow, sige ba?
May aurora.
Sige dyan, sit down, tapos warm your hands. Bibi, go back. Go back, tapos warm your hands.
Is it warm? Hmm? Aurora, bibi, oh.
There's the big bad wolf. $15 each? Gura na.
Oo, bawi na. Dapat, di pa sarado sila na Monday?
Bukas na.
Oh, kaso.
Nag-cleaning sila.
Oh. Don't remove, baby.
Oo.
Wala ka ng isda, oh. Baby. A fish.
Mahulog ka, mahulog ka, mahulog ka.
Ha?
Put it back to the lake. Ano ka?
Uyan pa. Oh, alat na. They're jumping, going to you, Isabel. Oh. Ang dami ng isda. May palaka pa, oh.
Papagirin ako.
May tuta. Oh.
Sa ano nga dari abot ka to? Sitong sa Naga? St. Peter's?
Oh. Review.
Natad lang this one ba?
Uh-oh, please wait.
Oh my God, Daddy, naka-record.
Naka-record. Oh yeah, sa beach oh.
No, stop.
Outer space. Nasaan na yun?
Ito na, Daddy.
May mga bata sa loob.
Push in the air. Nahuli ka, Nick.
Hindi man, naka-ano siya. Hold tight, Isabel.
In trouble na si Scooby.
In trouble? Si Scoob. You can... Oo. May nahulog. May nahulog.
Okay, enough. Tumakita sa ano, tumakita sa naglalaging ano.
Oh, ang galing no. Nag-enjoy si Bella yo. Ang galing, ang ganda nga tingnan eh, no, kung saan lalabas.
Ayan na.
Yan na, yan na, yan na. Kung saan lumalabas eh. No? Go ahead, Belle, one more.
Oh my gosh! Look! Look!
Okay, can you hold your sister?
Tinitingnan niya rin kung saan lalabas eh.
That's so cool!
Isabel,
Coming to the hospital.
to the hospital? Animal hospital? Ah, human.
Papa,
Po?
come on to the hospital.
You want scissor? This one?
Need a part of something else. Before you watch it.
Mine is being silly, yours is just really serious with the show.
Yeah, she's very like, yeah.
Oh yeah.
She's like 3 now, so she's very particular. She used to be friendly, like, you know.
Oh, she knows what she wants.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh yeah, she's the boss. Oh, they're starting. Your show is not organized, Isabel.
Hindi nakakasimula eh.
Get aside. Like, who's the director?
I know.
Tapos na, Belle? Nakarami? Nakarami chocolate yan? Oh, let's go. Oh, let's go na.
Grabing sapatos.
Hmm.
Kunin kay Papa, para day maula. Baka maula.
I'm gonna hold the tight.
No, because it's very cold outside.
Sa car na lang.
So, you're gonna say kay Papa and Mama?
Thank you.
Welcome.
Moo.
Let's go na. Lamig. Pagkatapos dun sa, sa Wonderhub. Yan na, syempre. Nakarami si Isabel, no?
Tapos maaga tayo, Dad.
Umaga kami. Alas kami nauna. Nauna dun sa
5:30 kasi akala ko kasi
5:30 sharp, nandun na tayo. Lamig. Ayos.
Marami na naman tayong candy. Maghahanap buhay na si Isabel.
Gaanap buhay si Isabel. Dadalhin ko na naman sa trabaho ko.
Oh, kamay car.